Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to the new Milwaukee Packout tool case with customizable insert. This system will give you a great amount of versatility to safely store your tools. The case comes with foam inserts that allow you to cut out the shapes that you need for your tool storage. Just trace the shape you need on the foam and cut it out. There are multiple layers of foam so that you won't go too deep into the foam for some tools, but you can go deeper into the foam for larger tools. The case snaps together with other Packout cases, and it is IP65 rated. It is rated for 75 pounds carrying capacity, and it has strong locking cleats. It has a metal reinforced locking point. I have mine set up for hand tools. I have cutouts for some new Milwaukee made in the USA screwdrivers, a new Milwaukee made in the USA Linemans pliers, a new made in the USA diagonal cutting pliers, my wire strippers, and a razor knife. The case with the foam inserts is about $80, and an extra set of foam inserts is $25. I'll put links in my video description for the new customizable case, and I'll put links for all of the tools you saw in the video. Thanks!